Hello friends, this is English legal dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Ready? Start. This appeal filed under section 37 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Hereafter, the Arbitration Act assails the order dated 15th February 2017 passed by the learned single judge allowing OMP 40/2001 filed by Messrs. TTI International India Limited respondent herein TTI hereafter under section 30 of the Arbitration Act stop by way of OP 490/2001 TTI had laid objections to the arbitral award dated 19th April 2011 passed by the sole arbitrator in disputes between TTI and the Airport Authority of India appellant herein AAI hereafter stop. It is unfortunate that the present appeal relates to an invitation issued by the AAI inviting applications as back as in the year 1999 for advertisement rights at the Hyderabad airport stop. Pursuant to this notice inviting applications, a license for advertisement was awarded to TTI as the successful tenderer stop. TTI was the successful tenderer in subsequent tenders as well issued by the AAI between 18th April 2001 to 17th April 2006 as well as for the period 18th April 2006 to 30th April 2008, which was by way of a supplementary license agreement executed on 23rd March 2005 stop. It appears that TTI made a complaint with regard to parallel advertisement being permitted by the AAI, contending that this was in the nature of a breach of contract stop. On 4th July 2009, TTI also invoked the arbitration clause in the agreement between the parties, resulting in AAI appointing a sole arbitrator to adjudicate upon the dispute stop. These arbitration proceedings culminated in an award dated 19th April 2001 against the TTI stop, inasmuch as the challenge to the arbitral award before the learned single judge was primarily on account of the failure of the arbitrator to follow a judicial approach. It becomes necessary to note the manner in which the arbitrator proceeded in the arbitration stop. TTI admittedly filed its claim on 15th September 2009, which was responded to the AAI on 5th January 2008 stop. Rejoinder thereto was filed on 11th February 2008 by TTI stop. A rejoinder thereto was filed on 24th March 2009 by the AAI stop. The entire arbitral record was produced and carefully scrutinized by the learned single judge while hearing OMP 40/2001 stop. The learned single judge has 400 noted in para 6 of the impugned order dated 15th February 2017 that there was no order at all passed by the learned arbitrator, noting that any evidence has been recorded. Full stop.